y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We also do some product hauls and product reviews, so if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, today I'm really excited because we have the limited edition holiday glossy box. So we will be diving in here and seeing exactly what this is all about. First, I do want to remind you that we do have an active giveaway going on. It is linked down below in the description. It is with Glamour Jewelry Box and it does end on the 10th, so you do still have time to enter. Now, the glossy box limited edition holiday box I am so excited about. First, thank you so very much to GlossyBox for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. Now, this is, like I said, a limited edition box. I will put a link down below that if you would like to subscribe to GlossyBox, will get you your first box for only $16 and then get you $5 off of this box. This box is $35, but again, if you use that link or my promo code, which is just my name, Nikki, that will save you $5 on this box and you can get it for $30. And I believe there are 8 full-size items in this box, but we're about to find out. So let's open it up. Ooh, GlossyBox always has the best presentation, y'all. I mean, I'm telling you right now. So when you open it, it says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. And then it has the pamphlet and it's all tied up. Beautiful. I love it. So let's untie it and get our little pamphlet here. So this goes over our different products and it will give us pricing. And if the item inside is not full size, it will give us the price for the size that it is. If it's a deluxe size sample or something like that, then it'll tell us the price for that. So let's go ahead and peel back the tissue paper. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, let's get started. So the first item in here is a dry shampoo from Authentic Beauty Concept. And it says, authentic beauty is real, honest, and purpose-driven. What we leave out is just as important as what we put in. Performance-driven vegan formula free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, and silicones. So there is that. And this is a deluxe mini, and this is valued at $10. The full size is 5.3 ounces, and that's valued at $25. And I love dry shampoo, so I'm all about that. Wonderful. All right, and then the next item, this is a daily serum from Intraceuticals Rejuvenate. Dramatically improve your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality with rejuvenating serum's anti-aging ingredients. All right. Okay. So this is the deluxe mini at 15 mLs. Full size is 30 ml. So this is half the full size. This is valued at $74.50. The full size is $149. Wow. Whoa. Okay. So yay, we got some awesome serum. Good to go. And then we have got, that is crazy. That is awesome. It blows my mind though. From KAB, we have a lip liner right here. And it's Strawberry Daiquiri lip liner. Formulated for the perfect lip contouring, this lip liner will make you photo ready for the holidays this year. This mid-toned pink with nude undertones can be used alone or easily paired with your favorite lipstick. This is full size and this is $12. I'm still baffled at the price of that serum. All right, now this I've used before and I love, so I'm actually really happy to see it in here. This is BioSilk. So this is for your hair. Containing natural pure silk, this weightless serum is great for taming frizz and preventing split ends, resulting in a beautiful shine. This is the Deluxe Mini at 2.2 ounces for $15.95. The full size is 12 ounces for $49.70. So that is awesome. And then we have, and I was curious, this says Travel Buddy in this box. Moisturizing Mini Kit. Healthy skin goes with you. This mini kit includes a smoothing moisturizer, a water gel, a hydrating oil, and a balm to fight dry patches. And this is valued at $35. So let's open her up and take a look. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. It is literally in its own little, that is adorable. And it's got like magnetic closure. So here is the balm. The oil. The water gel, and the all-in-one moisturizer. This is so awesome. I love this, and this is perfect for Travel Buddy. I love that it is already in its own little cute, adorable little thing that is going straight into my suitcase. That is so, I just love it. Okay, moving on. The next item we have is from Christophe Robin, and this is a cleansing volumizing paste with pure Rosal clay and rose extract. This unique blend of Rosal clay helps preserve and enhance color while creating volume from the roots without weighing down your hair. Apply to damp hair in place of shampoo and massage, rinse, and follow with a conditioner. This is a Deluxe Mini, 40 mLs. Full size is 75 mLs. This is $10.13, and the full size is $19. All right, and then we have, we have a mask. This is like that. So it's one of the half and half. But this is Ms. Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. Hydrolift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. Clinically proven to improve skin smoothness, this facial mask will hydrate, lift, and prime your skin while targeting hyperpigmentation. Leave on for 20 minutes and then peel and remove excess with warm water. This is $30. So this is on up there with like the 111 Skin. $30 for one mask. Okay. All right, and then it looks like we have one final product in here, and this is some very, very pretty sparkly nail polish from Lauren B. Beauty. Bright Lights Nail Polish. Flash this fusion of gold and silver glitter on your fingers and toes this holiday season. It'll light up any look. And this is $14. So this I think was awesome. I'll put the total value down here of the box. Again, you can get this box for only $30 if you sign up for GlossyBox, and that first box will be $16 and then get you $5 off of this, making it $30. Or you can purchase this box by itself for $35. So let me know what you thought. Do you get GlossyBox? Did you get this box? Are you planning on it? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.